Welcome to our exploration of bizarre foods from ancient times. In this video, we'll dive into some truly unique culinary delights that have tantalized taste buds throughout history. From fermented fish sauces in ancient Rome to the surprising use of insects in various cultures, these foods not only reflect the creativity of our ancestors, but also their resourcefulness in utilizing available ingredients. Each dish carries a rich cultural significance, revealing insights into the societies that created them. Join us as we uncover the curiosity and intrigue surrounding these ancient culinary practices and discover how they shape the way we think about food today. Garum, the ancient fish sauce. Garum, the famed fish sauce of ancient Rome, was crafted through a fascinating process of fermentation. Made from the guts of fish, particularly anchovies mixed with salt and left to ferment in the sun, this pungent condiment became a staple in Roman kitchens. Its popularity soared as it was used to enhance the flavor of various dishes, from meats to vegetables, adding a savory depth that was unmatched. Garum's influence can still be felt today, as it laid the groundwork for modern sauces like Worcestershire and Asian fish sauces, showcasing the enduring legacy of this unique culinary tradition in contemporary cuisine. Mummy brown, the paint made from mummies. Mummy brown, a peculiar pigment used in ancient art, was created by grinding up actual mummies. Artists in the 16th to 19th centuries prized this rich, earthy color for its unique hue and texture. The practice stemmed from cultural beliefs surrounding mummification, where the preservation of the body was thought to ensure a successful afterlife. However, as awareness grew regarding the ethical implications of using human remains, this practice faced significant backlash. The decline of mummy brown marked a shift in artistic materials, prompting artists to seek more ethical alternatives while reflecting on the complex relationship between art, culture, and morality. Haggis, the Scottish delicacy. Haggis is a traditional Scottish dish that embodies the heart and soul of Scotland's culinary heritage. Made from a mixture of sheep's heart, liver and lungs, combined with oats, onions and spices, it is traditionally encased in the sheep's stomach and simmered to perfection. Its historical roots trace back to the 15th century, symbolizing resourcefulness in using every part of the animal. Haggis holds a special place in Scottish culture, particularly during Burns Night, where it is celebrated with poetry, music and a ceremonial address known as the Address to a Haggis. This festive occasion honors the poet Robert Burns and showcases Scotland's rich traditions. Pigeon pie was a lavish dish that graced the tables of medieval banquets, showcasing the culinary sophistication of the time. Prepared with tender pigeon meat, often mixed with spices, herbs, and sometimes even fruits, this elaborate pie was encased in a rich pastry crust. Its association with nobility and royal feasts made it a symbol of status and wealth. Often served at grand celebrations and gatherings, the dish reflects the culinary practices of the era, where elaborate presentations and the use of exotic ingredients were highly valued. Pigeon pie not only satisfied the palate, but also demonstrated the power and prestige of those who served it. Mead, often referred to as honeyed wine, is an ancient beverage made by fermenting a mixture of honey, water, and yeast. The fermentation process transforms the sugars in honey into alcohol, resulting in a sweet, aromatic drink that has captivated cultures for centuries. Mead held significant importance in ancient rituals and celebrations, often associated with fertility, love, and even divine favor, making it a staple at weddings and feasts. Today, mead is experiencing a resurgence in modern craft brewing, with artisans experimenting with flavors and ingredients, bringing this historic elixir back to life and introducing it to a new generation of enthusiasts. Black pudding, a type of blood sausage, has origins that date back centuries, primarily made from pig's blood mixed with fat, oats and spices. The preparation involves cooking the mixture and then encasing it in a natural casing, resulting in a rich, savory delicacy. This dish plays a significant role in traditional breakfasts across various cultures, particularly in the UK and Ireland, where it is often served alongside eggs and bacon. Nutritionally, black pudding is high in protein and iron, making it a hearty option. In recent years, modern adaptations have emerged, incorporating unique flavors and ingredients, appealing to contemporary palates while honoring its heritage. Stinking Bishop cheese is renowned for its pungent aroma and creamy texture, making it a standout on any cheese board. This unique cheese is made from pasteurized cow's milk and is washed in perry, a type of pear cider, which contributes to its distinctive smell and flavor. Its historical roots trace back to the 1970s in Gloucestershire, England, where it was developed by cheesemaker Charles Martel. Today, Stinking Bishop has found its place in modern cheese boards, often paired with crusty breadfruits and robust wines. Its bold character and rich taste make it a favorite among adventurous cheese lovers seeking something truly memorable. Century eggs, also known as 100-year eggs, are a fascinating delicacy that showcases an intriguing preservation process. To create these unique eggs, fresh duck, chicken, or quail eggs are coated in a mixture of clay, ash, salt, and quicklime, then left to cure for several weeks to months. This method transforms the egg's flavor and texture, resulting in a creamy yolk and a dark, gelatinous white. In Chinese cuisine, century eggs hold cultural significance, often served as a side dish or incorporated into various recipes. Their distinct taste, which combines savory and umami notes, makes them a beloved ingredient for adventurous eaters seeking new culinary experiences. Salo, a traditional Eastern European delicacy, is made from cured pork fat, often from the belly or back of the pig. The preparation involves salting the fat and sometimes seasoning it with garlic, pepper, or herbs before allowing it to cure for several weeks. Historically, Salo has played a significant role in Ukrainian and Russian diets, serving as a vital source of energy during harsh winters. Its versatility shines through in various dishes, where it can be enjoyed thinly sliced on bread, added to stews, or even served with pickles. Salo remains a beloved staple, celebrated for its rich flavor and cultural significance. In Cambodia, fried tarantulas are a popular street food, showcasing a unique culinary practice. To prepare these crunchy snacks, the tarantulas are typically cleaned, seasoned, and deep-fried until crispy. This method enhances their flavor, resulting in a savory treat that many locals and tourists enjoy. Nutritionally, fried tarantulas are high in protein and low in fat, making them a healthy alternative to traditional snacks. Culturally, they represent a resourceful use of local ingredients and have become a symbol of Cambodian cuisine. As the trend of insect consumption grows worldwide, fried tarantulas highlight the potential of alternative protein sources in addressing food sustainability. In Mexican cuisine, ant eggs, known as huitlacoche, are a sought-after delicacy, particularly in regions like Oaxaca. Harvesting these tiny eggs involves collecting them from the nests of specific ant species, often during the rainy season. Once gathered, they are typically sautéed with onions and spices, enhancing their natural flavors. Ant eggs have a unique taste, often described as nutty and slightly tangy, making them a delightful addition to traditional dishes such as tacos and quesadillas. Their culinary use also highlights sustainable food practices, as they provide a rich source of protein while promoting biodiversity and utilizing local resources in a responsible manner. Casu Marzu, a controversial cheese from Sardinia, is infamous for being intentionally infested with live maggots. This traditional delicacy is made from sheep's milk and undergoes a fermentation process that encourages the larvae of cheese flies to hatch within the cheese. The presence of these maggots contributes to its unique texture, making it incredibly soft and spreadable, while its flavor profile is rich and tangy, often described as intense and complex. However, the consumption of Casu Marzu has sparked legal and cultural debates, as it is banned in the European Union due to health concerns, yet remains a cherished part of Sardinian heritage and culinary tradition. In this video, we've explored a fascinating array of bizarre foods, from the pungent garum of ancient Rome to the crunchy delight of fried tarantulas in Cambodia. Each dish reflects unique culinary practices that have shaped cultures throughout history. By delving into these diverse food traditions, we gain a deeper appreciation for the creativity and resourcefulness of different societies. We hope this journey has sparked your curiosity about the world of food. If you enjoyed this exploration, please subscribe, like, and share this video for more intriguing content on culinary adventures. Let's continue to celebrate the rich tapestry of global cuisine together.